Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with current affairs episodes. This will be useful for GK Olympiad exams for all classes. Shall we start the quiz now? Question number 1. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces. Who is the current President of India? Option A. Narendra Modi. Option B. Ramnath Kovind. Option C. Venkaiah Naidu. Option D. Amit Shah. The answer is option B. Ramnath Kovind. Indian Armed Forces are the military forces of the Republic of India. It consists of 3 professional uniformed services: the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and Indian Air Force. Ramnath Kovind is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current President of India since 25th July 2017. Question number 2. Who has been given the Nobel Prize for Literature 2021 in the recently announced awards? Option A. Abdul Razak Gurnah. Option B. Benjamin List. Option C. David W.C. Macmillan. Option D. Both options B and C. The answer is option A. Abdul Razak Gurnah. Nobel Prize is given at an international level, which is administered by the Nobel Foundation in Stockholm, Sweden. It is awarded for outstanding contributions in several categories, including chemistry, literature, peace, physics, physiology or medicine, and economic sciences. 13 laureates were awarded a Nobel Prize in 2021 for achievements that have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind. Question number 3. Who has been given the 51st Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Option A. Rajinikanth. Option B. Chiranjeevi. Option C. Kamal Haasan. Option D. Nagarjuna. The answer is option A. Rajinikanth. Rajinikanth, whose real name is Shivaji Rao Gaikwad, is an Indian film actor, producer, and screenwriter who works primarily in Tamil cinema. The Government of India has honored him with the Padma Bhushan in 2000 and the Padma Vibhushan in 2016. At the 67th National Film Awards, he was awarded the India's highest award in the field of cinema, Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Question number 4. When is International Girl Child Day celebrated? Option A. 11th October. Option B. 15th October. Option C. 18th October. Option D. 20th October. The answer is option A. 11th October. International Day of the Girl Child Day is observed on 11th October to raise voices for girls and stand up for their rights. The theme for International Day of the Girl Child 2021 is Digital Generation, Our Generation. Question number 5. Which vaccine has recently been approved by the Government of India for emergency use for children aged 2 to 18 years? Option A. Covishield. Option B. Sputnik V. Option C. Covaxin. Option D. All of these. The answer is option C. Covaxin. Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech had completed Phase 2 and Phase 3 trials of Covaxin on children below 18 years of age in September. To the sixth question now. Recently, Jonas Gahr Store has become the new Prime Minister of which country? Option A, Norway. Option B, Japan. Option C, Germany. Option D, Uganda. The answer is option A, Norway. In September 2021, Labour Party won the parliamentary elections in Norway. Jonas Gahr Store, the leader of the Labour Party, has assumed the charge of the Prime Minister of Norway. Question number 7. Who has become the 21st female Grandmaster of India? Option A, Subbaraman Vijayalakshmi. Option B, Tanya Sachdev. Option C, Divya Deshmukh. Option D, Padmini Raut. The answer is option C, Divya Deshmukh. 15 years old Nagpur teenager Divya Deshmukh became India's 21st woman Grandmaster after achieving her second international master at Grandmaster in Budapest, Hungary. Question number 8. Who was the India's flag bearer at the closing ceremony of Tokyo Olympics 2020? Option A, MC Mary Kom. Option B, Bajrang Punia. Option C, Manpreet Singh. Option D, none of the above. The answer is option B, Bajrang Punia. Bajrang Punia was India's flag bearer as the Tokyo Olympics came to an end with the closing ceremony at the Olympic Stadium. Bajrang Punia is an Indian freestyle wrestler from the state of Haryana. He got Arjuna Award in 2015, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award and Padma Shri in the year 2019. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for new videos. Thank you for watching.